Hello, group. Welcome to Action Rock Corner. I'm your host, Richard May, and today I'm talking about Thurston Moore's new record, Critical Lucidity. And it's a very relaxed, yet edgy, experimental, they said. I guess so. But when I listen to Thurston's albums, and of course, you may remember he was in Sonic Youth. And when I listen to Sonic Youth, I listen for a soundscape. I don't listen to individual songs. I listen to the soundscape that they give me for whatever amount of time the record is, and I enjoy that soundscape. Sometimes Sonic Youth and Thurston is more edgy or extreme noise, and sometimes they're a little bit more mellow but with an edge that holds your attention. Because I am a rock guy, you have to give me some edge for me to care. This is the first Sonic Youth album I bought. And you may not be able to read the caption. Allow me to first and read it to you. I stole my sister's boyfriend. It was all whirlwind, heat, and flash. Within a week, we killed my parents and hit the road. I'm not going to spend money on this? Are you insane? I want this. I don't care what, because this could be polka. I could care less. This is as cool as it gets. And the store probably was happy no one was picking the store that this was for sale in the store. That's my introduction to Sonic Youth. Tomorrow morning, kind of by coincidence, I participate with Sea Tranquility's Daily Show. And the Daily Show is a monthly exercise. This month, it's about our favorite records of 1995. Tomorrow morning, my pick will be Washing Machine by Sonic Youth. You see the stuff up on the wall over there, right? The latest Sonic Youth archival record, live record from, I think this is the very last show they ever did, if I remember correctly. And something with a cool cover, too large to put on my wall. Also a good record. And so I find Thurston and Sonic Youth before that. Sonic Youth had a breakup because him and his wife broke up and got divorced in 2010. I'll be reviewing his wife's record in a while. But if you're wondering, if you don't get an accurate description of the music by my verbalizing it, if you know you Velvet Underground, you gotta start. Velvet Underground. Kim and Thurston, I think, has a couple Lou Reed and Velvet Underground records in the collection. We'll leave it at that. And, they've been at it now for going on 44 years. And it's a nice record. Soundscape. He works with a poet for the lyrics to this. I don't claim to be a poetry critic anymore. If I ever did, it's nice words. And with the music, it's nice. So, does it mean anything? Not really. Just nice words, kind of spoken by Thurston, as the music plays. And it works for me. If there's any deep meaning in the lyrics, I'll take your word for it. But isn't that blunt? The bluntest thing as a political statement on this record is in all places. You need a really big screen TV to be able to read the legal portion at the bottom there. Instead of, I don't know why am I looking at the all rights reserved line? I guess I do, I read. And it starts, all rights reserved. I expected. All wrongs reversed. Oh, that you broke the custom. Let me start this again. All rights reserved. All wrongs reversed. All are born free and equal in rights. Absolutely true. Still not the blunt political statement they think it is, because even a Fox News host will think they work towards this rhetoric in their own right. Discuss. All born free and equal in rights. Unfortunately, we get some that disagree in the world, and that's, don't bring it up in the comments. But that's as close to a political statement this record makes. And so, point being, well, you may perceive an implication of progressive intent. It's not really there when you read between the lines. Just relax with it. It's fun. It's nice, relaxing. That edgy that keeps your attention for 40 minutes. You can keep repeating it like I did all day. Repeat, because I do that. When I review, I got my eyes covered, but I like to look at you and go, this is worth your time to check out. And it is. It's found here on YouTube. Thurston Moore. And I know you could look at the thumbnail for this video. But flow, critical lucidity. Nice word salad. I know it has a meaning, but yeah. In my other work I do outside of this, that doesn't mean a whole lot to me. It's nice, 3-word salad. Nice and pretty. And nice RC cover. Okay. It's a good record. Check it out. I'll be doing the ex-wife's record in a while. And I think that's all I got. Check it out for yourself and enjoy it. Nice fresh music for you. And check out some Sonic Youth. It's not necessarily the rock that I usually listen to, but it's got the edge I always want. It will prick up your ears and cut through the earwax. So check it out. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Leave a comment. Be nice, too. Be nice. And for action rock, garage rock, classic and legacy bands, and psych, and there's definitely a bit of psych to this. So if you like psych, try this. Even though it doesn't claim a psych label. The edge of the music is definitely psych if anything is. And his guitar work is definitely psyche. Which is not a word. It's definitely, the guitar work is more than a touch of psych to it. There you go. So thank you for watching. And remember, go out there, listen to some fresh music. Not that same stuff you've been listening to for your entire adult life. Find something fresh. You'll like it. So, till next time, go have fun.